Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Canva with PicsArt and which is better for design tool. So let's get right into it. Canva is basically a drag and drop design tool with thousands of templates for social media, business, and marketing. It is best for graphic designing, presentation, branding, and also offers pre-made templates, stock photos, and a brand kit. If you talk about pricing and value, both have free plans and premium features require a subscription. It offers at around $12.9 per month, offering a premium template background, removal team collaboration, and everything. Now, if we talk about PicsArt, PicsArt is basically has more like a photo editor with creative tools, and it includes filters, stickers, AI-powered effects, and if we talk about features and customization, it shines in photo manipulation, AI-powered editing, and drawing tools. If you talk about pricing, it basically is the basic plan is free, if you say, for per month, and it goes up to $7 per month. Basically, the plan goes to $15 per month, but right now there's an offer going which gives you which through which you can save around 53%, and you can get it for $7 per month, the pro version of it. You can go on the website and you can compare all the features from which you feel whichever plan is feasible for you. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing Canva and PicsArt. Thank you so much for watching.